The families don't promote forgiveness, the bigger society will not promote forgiveness. Neither in the schools, students will become aggressive to the teachers or to the administrators and resort to violence, to hooliganism. These are signs of less forgiveness, very little. So, on occasions like this, we are celebrating the graduation of students from this institute who are going to be what? Suppliers of service to the weak, the sick. Among these whom you will be treating, there are some who have come with a lot of heaps of grudges in their hearts. You know it better than I do. When you are not in good disposition, your body also reacts in that manner. It will not easily accept medicine.
You have to be strong. You have to be creative. We all are aware of the situation we're in all over the world, but we should be strong, prayerful, with determination, perseverance. We are going to let this country a nation for all of us.
Is training medical doctors or medical service or servants, we can say. They are dealing with the most delicate people, the patients. If you give a wrong tone to this person may lose trust in you. They will not like to see you come near them. They think that you are going to kill them. So, these are the people who must go with open heart and love and accept this patient with that love of saying, I am here to make a change for the better. Not for the worse, but for the better. And encourage each of these people to respond to the treatment they are being given.
In some candidates, in some classes, all of them pass 100% out of 100. And in other programs, you find one student having retakes. And that is standard we have set for the last 13 years. Planning to make sure that we affiliate with bigger universities like Gulu University. We have also Sacred University, but we are starting with Gulu University. Next academic year, if all the program completed successfully, we shall be offering bachelor degree of science in nursing, bachelor degree of science in midwifery, and bachelor in environmental health sciences here in Gulu Institute of Health Sciences. To tell you, we have signed MOU with Gulu Regional Referral Hospital, Awach Hospital, Lalogi Hospital, Nebi Hospital, Anaka Hospital, to train our students in practical skills area, and the skills is guaranteed. We are also going to have a PPP arrangement with governments and the local government, especially in environmental health sciences, so that we start recycling waste within the city. We shall do it free of charge. We shall be contributing for recycling through that department in Gulu City here.